Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned woodworker, having the right tools makes all the difference. Today, we're counting down the 10 best woodworking tools on Amazon, handpicked to boost precision, efficiency, and creativity in your workshop. Let's dive in. Number 1. Helix Angle and Circle Maker. When it comes to woodworking, precision is everything. That's why the Helix Angle and Circle Maker earns the first spot on our list. Imagine trying to mark out a perfect circle or angle without fumbling with multiple tools. This compact gadget makes it effortless. With integrated circle templates, you can quickly measure and draw circles of different sizes, while the 360-degree scale ensures your angles are spot on. At just 6 inches or 15 centimeters, it's small enough to slip into your pocket or tool bag, making it handy for projects in the workshop or on the go. And here's a fun touch. It comes in 3 vibrant colors, so you can pick one that stands out on a cluttered bench. Whether you're sketching layouts, marking joints, or planning decorative cuts, this tool keeps your lines clean and accurate, saving time and frustration. Number 2. Oscillating Miter Slot Runner Slider Bars. Coming in at number 2, we've got the Oscillating Miter Slot Runner Slider Bars, a small upgrade that makes a huge difference in accuracy. If you've ever built a crosscut sled or jig for your table saw, you know how frustrating it can be when the runner wiggles in the track. These bars solve that problem with expansion collars that lock them snugly in place, giving you zero clearance and silky smooth movement. The roundover design means they slide easily into the miter slot, so setup is quick and hassle-free. Made from premium aluminum alloy, they're tough enough to last through countless projects. With standard March 4th by March 8th dimensions, they fit both T-shaped and U-slot tracks, making them versatile for all kinds of sleds, whether you're tackling box joints, tenons, or coping cuts. It's one of those behind-the-scenes tools that quietly elevates your woodworking precision. Number 3. Pony Portable Folding Work Table. At number 3, we've got the Pony Portable Folding Work Table, and this one is all about versatility. It's a clever 2-in-1 design that works as both a sturdy sawhorse and a reliable workbench, so you can adapt it to whatever project you're tackling. With a load capacity of up to 500 pounds as a table and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, you'll never have to worry about stability. The aluminum leg frame adds strength without making it heavy, and the adjustable height feature means you can set it anywhere between 30 and 35 inches, perfect for different tasks in the garage, garden, or even on the job site. It also comes with clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps, giving you plenty of options to secure your work. Best of all, it folds flat, making it easy to carry and store when space is tight. Number 4. At number 4, we got the Hammerhead 4.8 amp jigsaw, a versatile powerhouse for shaping and cutting wood. With a corded design delivering up to 3,000 strokes per minute, it's built for lasting performance across a wide range of projects. The variable speed control lets you fine-tune your cuts depending on the blade and material, while the built-in brake ensures a clean, precise finish. One standout feature is the 4-stage orbital function, which gives you the flexibility to switch between smooth cuts and more aggressive, faster cuts, depending on your needs. The sturdy metal base plate even tilts up to 45 degrees, making bevel cuts simple and accurate. And for anyone who hates messy cleanup, the dust port connects easily to a vacuum to keep your workspace clear. Add in the tool-free T-shank blade change system, and you've got a jigsaw that's efficient, adaptable, and easy to use. Number 5. At number 5, we've got the 152-piece oscillating tool blade kit, and this one is all about versatility. If you've ever tackled home repairs or renovations, you know how valuable a multi-tool can be, and this kit takes it to the next level. With 10 different blade types, sanding pads, and over 100 sandpapers, you're covered for cutting, scraping, polishing, and finishing across wood, plastic, plaster, and even metal. The blades are built from high-quality materials like bimetal, titanium, and stainless steel, so they're tough enough to handle demanding jobs while lasting longer than standard options. One standout feature is the curved edge design, which not only improves cutting angles, but also reduces vibration, giving you smoother, more accurate results. Installation is quick thanks to the tool-free, quick-release system, and with universal compatibility, these blades fit most major brands. It's a complete kit that keeps your multi-tool ready for anything. Number 6. Number 6 is the DeWalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. This saw is built for heavy-duty work. It has a 15-amp motor that runs at 3,800 revolutions per minute, giving you strong power and long-lasting durability. One of its best features is the cutline blade positioning system. It shows you exactly where the blade will cut, with no adjustments needed. The XPS LED shadow light adds even more accuracy by projecting a clear shadow line for perfect alignment. Dust can be a big problem in woodworking, but this saw collects more than 75% of the dust it creates, keeping your workspace cleaner. The tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches. It can cut lumber up to 2 by 14 at 90 degrees and 2 by 10 at 45 degrees, with wide miter ranges for maximum flexibility. Number 7. Number 7 is the Rexbeady 10-piece premium wood chisel set. This kit is perfect for beginners who are just starting out, or for experienced woodworkers who want to upgrade their tools. It includes 6 chisels in sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches, giving you the flexibility to handle fine details or larger cuts. The blades are made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel alloy, which holds its edge longer than standard steel. To keep them sharp, the set comes with a honing guide and a sharpening stone, allowing you to maintain precise angles at 25 or 30 degrees. The handles are thickened and rubberized for comfort and control, with a heavy-duty steel end cap that can withstand repeated strikes from a mallet or hammer. Everything is stored in a sturdy blow-molded case, keeping your chisels organized and ready whenever you need them. Number 8. Number 8 is the Going Make All-Metal Pocket Hole Jig Kit. This tool is designed to help you create strong and accurate woodworking joints with ease. The Precision Drill Guide makes it simple to drill pocket holes, even if you're new to woodworking. It includes an easy depth setting system that adjusts for different material thicknesses, so you can work with wood from 1/2 inch up to 1 3/4 inches. A quick clamp holds your workpiece firmly in place, while the removable vacuum hose keeps dust under control and your workspace clean. Built from durable aluminum alloy, the jig can be used on a workbench for larger projects or as a portable drill guide in tighter spaces. With 3 drill inserts spaced for different widths, it saves time and effort. The kit also comes with drill bits, screwdrivers, screws, and plugs, giving you everything you need for pocket hole joinery. Number 9. Number 9 is the NoCry woodworking apron. This apron is built to last, made from heavy-duty polycotton fabric with reinforced stitching. Every pocket corner is strengthened with metal rivets, so it resists fraying even after long use. Comfort is a big deal when you're working all day, and the crossback strap design helps eliminate neck strain. Non-slip shoulder pads keep the apron steady, so it won't shift or slide while you move. Storage is another highlight. There are 9 tool pockets, including a large kangaroo pocket, hook and loop pockets, leather loops for hanging tools, and even magnetic holders. There's also a secure inner pocket for your phone. The apron adjusts easily to fit different body sizes, thanks to the triangle back slide adjuster. With a quick release buckle and climbing hooks, putting it on and taking it off is fast and simple. It's practical protection with smart design for everyday woodworking. Number 10. Finally, at number 10, we have the Rexbeady 25-piece metal file set. This kit is designed for shaping, smoothing, and finishing wood, metal, and other materials. It includes 4 large files: flat, triangle, half-round, and round, plus 12 precision needle files for detailed work. All 16 files are made from premium-grade T12 drop forged alloy steel. The teeth are deeply milled, tempered, and coated to give long-lasting cutting performance. To round out the set, you also get 6 sheets of sandpaper, a wire brush, a pair of work gloves, and a rugged carry case. Each tool fits securely in its place, so nothing moves around or gets damaged during storage. The handles are long and rubberized, giving you comfort and control even during extended use. With such a wide variety of files and accessories, this set makes finishing and fine-tuning your woodworking projects much easier.